Hello everybody. Today's my topic is MCQ in atomic structure. Here we solve some previous question of JEE main exam of this topic. That means atomic structure. Each and every year one or two question comes in JEE main exam from atomic structure topic. So it is very important chapter for JEE main exam. Now the first question, the ground state energy of H atom is minus 13.6 electron volt. The energy of second excited state of helium plus cation is minus 54.4, minus 3.4, minus 6.04, minus 27.2. This question comes in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now, the ground state energy of H atom is minus 13.6 electron volt, which is given. And for second excited state, values of N is 3. So, energy of He plus cation in third, that means E3 means minus 13.6 into Z square by N square electron volt. For He plus atom, Z value is 2. Putting the values of Z2 and N3, we get energy of He plus is minus 6.04 electron volt. So the option C is the correct one. Now my second question is, the 71st electron of an element X with an atomic number 71 enters into the orbital 4f, 6p, 5d and 6s. Now this question comes in JEE main exam 2019. Now atomic number 71, that means it is 4f block elements. 4f block element starts from cerium 58 to lutetium 71. So the 71 atomic number element is lutetium. Now 4f block element having common electronic configuration is N-2 F1 to 14, N-1 D1 to 10 and NS2. We know atomic number 70 having electronic configuration xenon core 4f14 6s2. So comparing the above equation where n is equal to 6, so n-1 that means is equal to 5 and n-2 is equal to 4. Now the 71st electron in lutetium enters the 5d orbital and its complete electronic configuration will be xenon core 4f14 5d1 6s2. So option C is the correct one. My next question is, the de Broglie wavelength associated with the photoelectron varies with the frequency nu of the incident radiation as the following four options, where nu 0 is threshold energy. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. We know de Broglie wavelength lambda for electron is given by lambda is equal to h by root over of 2mke, where k is kinetic energy, m is mass of the particle here electron, and also photoelectron effect ke is equal to h nu minus h nu 0. Putting the values of ke in equation 1, we get lambda varies as 1 by root over of nu by nu minus nu 0. So option D is correct one. The fourth question, based on the quantum number, the correct set of 4 quantum number for the valence electron rubidium atom is, there are 4 options of quantum number. This question came in JEE main exam 2014. Now electronic configuration of rubidium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. Now up to this 36 electron fill up, Now 37th electron comes in 5s subcell and is 5s1. So this is 37th electron which enters in 5s subcell. For 5s subcell, n value is 5 and for s, L value is 0. Since L value is 0, so M also 0 and S value either plus up or minus up. Let it is maybe plus up. So the four quantum number sets are 5, 0, 0 plus up. It is seen in option A. So option A is correct one. Instead of this portion, we can write krypton inner core 5s1. Okay. My next question is, which of the following is the energy or possible excited state of H atom? There are four options: plus 13.6, minus 6.8, minus 3.4 and plus 6.8. This question come in JEE Main 2015 year. Now in case of H atom, in n is equal to 1, where maximum population of electron takes place in H atom. So n1 is taken as ground state and maximum excitation will takes place from n1 to n2. Hence n is equal to 2 is a possible excited state. We know En of H is equal to minus 13.6 by into Z square by n square electron volt. For H atom, putting the Z value 1 and excited state n is equal to 2, putting all of the terms, we get the values of En of H is minus 3.4 electron volt. So option C is the correct one. Now the next MCQ is, if the de Broglie wavelength of electron in nth Bohr orbit in a hydrogenetic atom is equal to 1.5 A0, then values of n by z is 1, 0.75, 0.4 and 1.5. This question come in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now the we can solve the problem. We know number of waves is equal to circumference by wavelength. That means small n is equal to 2 pi r by lambda, or 2 pi r is equal to n lambda, equation 1. We also know that radius r of an atom is given by r is equal to a0 n square by z. This is equation 2. Putting the values of r in equation 1, we get 2 pi a0 n square by z is equal to n lambda. Now in question, we know lambda is equal to 1.5 pi a0. Putting this value, then we get n by z is equal to 0.75. So option B is the right one. Now the next question is, heat treatment of muscular pain involves radiation of wavelength 900 nanometer. Which spectral line of H atom is suitable for this purpose? There is four options: Paschen 5 to 3, Paschen infinity to 3, Lyman infinity to 1 and Balmer infinity to 2. This question came in JEE Main 2019 exam. We know del E is equal to H nu, that means H into C into RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square. So 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Now H into C into 1 by lambda, putting the values of 1 by lambda, then we get Hc into RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square. So from this equation we get 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square is equal to Hc by RH into lambda into z square into Hc. For each atom, values of Z is equal to 1, so we get 1 by RH into lambda. For the values of RH and lambda, we get 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square is equal to 1 by 9. This result is observed when n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to infinity. So option B is the correct one. Pascal series infinity to 3. So option B is the correct one. My next question is the ratio of the shortest wavelength of two spectral series of H spectrum is found to be around 9. The spectral series are Lyman and Paston, Brackett and Fund, Paston and Fund, Balmer and Brackett. Question comes in JEE Main 2019 exam. We know 1 by lambda is equal to RH by HC into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So 1 by lambda proportionals to 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. For shortest wavelength, in all cases n2 is infinity. Now we calculate lambda L by lambda P, Lyman and Paston, lambda Brackett by lambda Fund, lambda Paston by lambda Fund, and lambda Balmer by lambda Brackett. We get, in case of first case, lambda Lyman by lambda Paston is 1 by 9. So the option A is correct now. Now next question is the quantum number of 4 electrons are given below. There are 4 sets of quantum number and arrange them in order to increasing energy. This question comes in JEE Main 2019 exam. Now we know from Auger principle, energy of subshell depends on the values of n plus L, where n is principal quantum number and L is azimuthal quantum number. Higher the values of n plus L, higher the energy. Now here maximum n plus L value is shown in case of 1. So 1 is maximum energy. So option A and C may be the right one. Now then in case of 2 and 3, where n plus L value are same, in this case when n plus L value are two subshell are equal in 2 and 3, then we see the where the values of n is lower. Lower values of n means lower energy. In case of 2, values of n is 3, and in case of 3, value of n is 4. So energy of 2 is less than energy of 3. So maximum energy is 1 and then 3 and then 2. Now in 4, energy is less because n plus L is minimum, that is 4. So least energy is system 4. So increasing energy is 4, 2, 3, 1. This answer is option C. So option C is the correct one. Now the last problem is, for a given series of spectral line of each atom, let del nu bar is equal to nu bar max minus nu bar minimum with difference in maximum and minimum frequency in centimeter inverse. Then calculate the ratio of del nu bar Lyman by del nu bar of Balmer. This question comes in joint entrance examination, main examination 2019. And the solve of the question 10 is the given below, where del nu bar Lyman by del nu bar Balmer is obtained 9 by 4. So option C is right. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. If you like this channel, then please subscribe my channel and like and press the bell button in the below, and please comment on my video. Thank you.